I'm Rasmus, and I'm here with Mette and Sayan. Sayan is an actor from Kollywood, so therefore we are taking inspiration from Dhruv Vikram, which is a fellow actor. Are you guys up for it?
Let's do it.
Let's get to it.
But that ain't nothing to fear. Sickness conceals our surroundings. Can't quite make out what's around me. Shadows and mazes of mirrors. Everything looks so foggy. All of these smoke screens haunting, swirling around, showing no signs of stopping. Feeling so daunting. Don't run from the great unknown. It's okay to lose control. Don't be afraid to step into the haze. To step into the haze. All that you've known is obscure, clouded and hard to discern. Dense smoke veils all the familiar. Can't help it but be bewildered. These dreary skies all a blur. Everything looks so foggy. All of these smoke screens haunting, swirling around, showing no signs of stopping. Feeling so daunting. Don't run from the great unknown. It's okay to lose control. Don't be afraid to step into the haze. To step into the Don't you hesitate, reach and penetrate, step into the wind. Don't you hesitate, mystery awaits. Step into the haze, step into the haze. From all these arrows and the sword I wield will keep you from danger. Let me be your shield.
Yeah. Yeah. It's just you, me, and the odds. We stuck together, we two peas in a pod. You dealt a bad hand, I'm there seizing the cards. We'll never be separated till we see in the gods. We've been low together, high forever. Long as we go together, we'll die whenever. Be a light, couldn't let the darkness try you ever. Truth in my word, you I lie to never. And when the world gets a little too hard, wipe your eyes, put away your sorrow. When it's war, I'll be leading the charge, and I'll be still fighting for you tomorrow. Yeah, even with a blindfold or in different time zones, could find my way to you with my eyes closed. There's nothing between us. Go to Mars and Venus, stand in front of every one of them rocks they slinging and be your shield.
Your shield.
Yeah.
In the fiercest battle, I'll defend you.
I'll defend you
from all these arrows, and the sword I wield will keep you from danger. Let me be your shield.
Yeah, let's go.
saying may take patience, but you're gonna make it out. I scratch my own 2 feet to pull you to safety. When the fires are burning, burning like crazy. Kinda jealous, but you won't feel no pain. I will take your place, I will be your shield. I will be your shield. In the fiercest battle, I'll defend you. From all these arrows and the sword I wield will keep you from danger. Let me be your shield.
Yeah, let's go. Let me be your shield, let me be your shield.
Now the hairstyle is done, so Sayan, how do you like it?
I like it a lot.
Mette, you did a great job.
Thank you.
As always. And guys, remember to write in the comment section down below what you think about this episode. Also like the video and subscribe if you haven't yet. See you guys next time.